Hey guys! You have installed LDPlayer and signing into Google with your Gmail account. But you see the circular wheel for a long time and then receive an error. Let's solve the issue. Open your web browser and paste the link into download LDPlayer 3.101 version. See the link in comment. I have already downloaded it. Let's install LDPlayer 3.101. Friends, installation might take some time, so remain patient. I have made the video short to save your time. Guys, LDPlayer has been installed. Let's sign in with Google account to access Play Store and install games.